Hey guys, this is Mike, and you people are listening to the Computer Show. I know it's been a while since we recorded our last video. I think our last video came in November. Things have changed by after that duration. I think we stopped recording videos because our semester exams were about to start. Now our semester exams are over, and our results also came out. I think me and Prashant in the coming future will be making new videos soon. The format will be changed a bit. I think initially we was emphasizing more on web technologies and web tech. Right now, since we are pursuing for our, we are right now in the third year, so I think our main focus will now go towards, I think, data structure algorithm. We will update you about that in the coming future. And about Prashant's availability, I'm not too sure about that because Prashant is also doing his own things. If not Prashant is available to be in the podcast, I will be making the podcast alone, and I will be talking about things which I've learned in the weekends. I think the podcast as usual will be coming out in what they back in the days they were coming out on Sundays or Mondays. I think that's the time. Even I hope so. The next week we will have a podcast on which I will talk about what we have been doing in the coming weeks. Our college started, ended again, shut down, and stuff like that. So thank you for showing the patience and sticking around, and hope to see you again. Bye bye.